Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check if your Windows 11 PC or laptop support virtualization on your Windows 11 or not. To check this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. Press and hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type MS Info 32 and then click on OK. Like this, it will open your system information. From the left panel, select system summary, and in the right panel find out virtualization base security. If the value is showing running, this means guys your system will support virtualization on your PC. Okay, so this is the only method to check if your PC will support the virtualization or not. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.